Right, lab activity 3. Rename the worksheet 1 to order, and then rename the worksheet 2 to status. Okay, then we go back to order worksheet 1. Okay, separate the text into alternate lines in A1. So we use the text wrapping. Okay, and change the format of the cell D7 to D30. So D7 to D30. D30, the cells format to, and also E7 to E30. So up to here, to currency. Okay, autofill for step 5. Edit the order number from A7 to A26. So you choose A7 and then you drag along so that the number is auto-filled. Then go to step 6. So calculate the amount paid of each order in cell D7 to D26, so that the pay order is come from the number of ball pen with the price of ball pen. Well, make sure you use the absolute address. Okay, and then plus the number of paper per box times the price of the paper. Also use absolute address for the price per box. Okay, that so that you can copy this simply. Okay, so you get the total amount. Then next one, step 7, round off the amount paid to integer in E7 and E26. Okay, so then we use the round off function. So you just type round and then blanket. So of D7, close blanket. And make sure you put the number of digits so that we round off to whole number. So the number of digits should be 0. Okay. Alright, so we just copy this downwards. Okay. Then next we go to step 8. So step 8 is unhide the row 27. So you can see between 26 and 28 there should be row 27, but it is hiding. So you want to unhide it, you just select 26 and 28 and then you click the right click and then you can choose unhide. So here it goes. So it's row 7 shown. Then calculate the total number of box order. So the total number of box orders, that will be the ball pen. So we just use the sum of all those. Okay, right, and then the total box order for both the ball pen and the paper. So you just write one and then you just copy it next to it, so you can get the total amount of each type. Right, let's go to step 10, that calculate the total amount for the order. So for the round off, we just copy this downwards, so you can get the round off amount of the total. Right, let's go to find the average, maximum and minimum of the amount paid. So we better use the function average. Remember to type the whole word average, and then from D7 to D26 and then close it. Okay, then maximum also D7 to D26, 6. Okay, and the minimum, M-I-N, also D7 to D26. Okay, so the round off just copy down. Okay, right, let's find the number of delivered and number of pending. So how can we check the delivered order, so which is on status worksheets here? So those delivered will be the status. So you just count the number of delivered in this row. So we back to the order worksheets. So that we use the function count if. Okay, we make sure you start with the blanket. So you can see that the format, we have the range and then the criteria. So the range is at the status worksheets. So let's go to status worksheets. So the range is from here, B2 up to B21. So the criteria is that it match with the word delivered. And then close blanket. After enter, that you can find there are 11 order which is delivered. Okay, so the pending status, so you see those pending with the date, so we just count the number of days that will be the number of the order which is on pending status. So we better use the count function. So the count function, so we go to status, we count here. So because the count function only count the number, so that the date also refer to the numbered category. So we just use the count function from B2 to P21. So after press enter, so it will count the number of pending. Okay, that last step, you save your work and then submit in the Google Classroom then.